Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add text in the VLLO app. It is perfect for adding titles, caption or any on-screen text to your videos. First, open the VLLO app. Within it, make sure to create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are inside the editor, you will see your video clips in the timeline at the bottom. Make sure to move the playhead to the exact point where you want the text to appear. Now from the editing tools, tap text. Within it, you will see different options like text, labels, caption and auto captions at your left corner. You can just simply tap on any of them. Within it, you will see different text styles. You can just scroll down or choose through different categories. As well as within the labels, there are also options given. Same for captions and auto captions. Next, tap on a text style that you want. Within the clip, you will see that the text is successfully appearing. You can just simply tap on it to edit the text. Make sure to drag the text to the position where you want. And at the bottom, you will also see the text editing option such as transform, text, design, font size. You can just simply choose any of them. After choosing tap done, you can also adjust how long the text stays on the screen by dragging the text layer edges in the timeline. If you want the text to appear or disappear smoothly, you can also add animation like fade in or fade out. And once you are happy with the text, tap down to save it. And that's it. You have successfully added the text to your video in VLLO. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.